Hi, I'm Jackie, and I am reviewing the hyaluronic acid Hydra-Serum. It is one of the most amazing products I have ever purchased. It helps me to make my skin feel so much better. When using the hyaluronic acid Hydra-Serum, I can feel my skin tightening as I put it on. I use a dab in the morning and a dab at night with my regular regimen, and I feel the skin tightening around my lips, around my lines, and around my neckline. Um, it doesn't have any kind of greasy residue or anything, so it's perfect underneath, anything I want to put on my skin. I would recommend the hyaluronic acid hydra serum to anybody that's noticing those little lines as we age, the smile lines, the lines around your lips, the little crow's feet. They seem to help tighten up everything, and all you have to use is a small amount, and it goes a long way. Um, no one can guess my age, so I guess it's working.